Welcome friends, welcome to Online Learning Box, and this is another quick video tutorial about cartoon illustration. So I'm taking my brush and without wasting time, just draw some like this circle, and sorry, this one is bigger and thicker one. So this one type of circle, and you can clearly understand what I'm going to make here. This is a rough illustration or rough drawing, just taking some random uh, circle, and you can clearly this is a funny illustration type of rabbit. So here it is going to insert, so it's going to insert and just take it, insert here, putting it here, and now try to do something like this, and this okay, and now it is like this. So should be okay. So, and here one thing you should remember always, that overlapping areas is very important in this illustrations is going to be very important. This is overlapping, so where the nose sections, just going to join this nose section. So but I'm not happy with this nose, so try it once more, but I will fix it later. Just for the sake of this one, and sorry, okay, now this one, and now this thing has okay, okay, now this is very important. Okay, now this one for the lake. So carefully watch this video tutorial. You can also draw like this. Okay, so don't worry, you can draw. So let's try this drawing, and comment me about this drawing class, how you want to improve this classes. If you have any suggestions, welcome. Give me any suggestions to better this classes. So this is a very short video tutorial making this kind of illustrations. So thank you very much for watching this sketch illustrations. Thank you.